Good day, my dear brothers and sisters, Filipino youths in different parishes. Today, I'm going to share something why you should read the second letter of Paul to Corinthians. But first of all, let me introduce myself first. I am Charles J. Lasa, a first-year seminarian student of St. Daniel Comboni Seminary here in Quezon City, Manila, Philippines. The reasons why you should read the second letter of Paul to Corinthians is because it talks about reconciliation, forgiveness, and generosity. The second letter of Paul to Corinthians can be divided into three themes. First, chapters 1 to 7, Paul explains his travel changes to clear up his understanding. He stresses his genuine care for the Corinthians and urges forgiveness and reconciliation. He reflects on how God's power is most evident in his own suffering and weaknesses, showing the transformative strength of faith. Chapters 8 to 9, Paul urges the Corinthians to be generous and complete their financial offering for the Jerusalem church, emphasizing cheerful and willing giving. He teaches that generosity not only helps others, but also strengthens the giver's faith. Chapters 10 to 13, Paul defends his authority as an apostle against critics, asserting the legitimacy of his teachings, boldly standing up for the truth of the gospel. So the second letter of Paul to Corinthians offers valuable insights into the importance of humility, forgiveness, and unity within the church, a key pillars for a thriving church that reflects Christ's love and grace. As the first theme talks about forgiveness and reconciliation, being a youth in different parishes, let us try to be loving and caring for our brothers and sisters. Let us try to forgive them also. I know that we have many misunderstandings in our community, but let us try to forgive and love one another. And then the second theme, it talks about generosity. Being a youth, let us offer ourselves, our ability and skills to animate others, especially the children, to show them that we are the youths of the Christian faith. We are proclaiming our faith as a Christian, as a Catholic. And then the last theme, it talks about the defense of Paul of his authority. So for us being a youth, defending our faith as a Christian by just praying, by just showing to the people how our community works, how we proclaim the good news to the people, being good and being loving to one another. It is what it is all about. So my dear brothers and sisters, good afternoon, and thank you so much for listening.